Water Resources Management and Environmental Engineering program, Waten, is an EU project under the Tempus program. 2 Egyptian universities participate in this project, Helwan University and Ain Shams University. The idea of the project is to introduce a postgraduate diploma and Master of Science in the field of water resources management and environmental engineering to be carried out at both universities. Strong consortium members took part in the project. The Academic and Research Department of Hydrology Engineering, LFI, of the RWTH Aachen University in Germany is responsible for water management-related aspects, artificial intelligence, and e-learning. UNESCO IHE in Delft, Netherlands, is responsible for the environmental aspects of this project.
Egyptians are managing the water resources since more than 5,000 years. The dramatic increase of population puts us really under pressure.
The Egyptian universities are currently introducing thousands of civil engineers to the labor market every year. However, the market is in a serious need for water and environmental specialists. The urgent problem is the scarcity of professionals who are able to help the society to meet the challenge.
There is a lot of need to work hard through the academics and to prepare a generation of graduates which know a lot about the water problems.
The Materia Faculty of Engineering of Helwan University graduates general civil engineers. There is no specialized MSc or diploma program for water and environmental studies. The situation at the Faculty of Engineering of Ain Shams University is different. It has an existing 2-year postgraduate diploma in the field of water resources and environmental engineering. But the courses are not up to date, not practically orientated, and essential elements are not included. The existing IT labs need upgrade, and teaching methods and tools need improvement. The objective was the development of curricula and courses for a new postgraduate program for both universities, Helwan and Ain Shams. This is a great commitment and in line with Tempus.
Bringing those 2 universities together to work on something common, this is something that we don't see very often in Egypt.
The main kickoff meeting between representatives from all the consortium members was organized in Cairo and took place in March 2007.
To allow both Egyptian universities to offer this program in a professional way, we had to enhance the infrastructure. For example, establishing a new IT lab, water lab, and environmental lab.
The hydraulic laboratories and the environmental lab of Helwan University and Ain Shams University were improved with different equipment. Both undergraduate and postgraduate students are using them in their course of study and research. In only 2 weeks, the new computer lab at Helwan University was ready. 15 workstations, as well as a multimedia equipment, enabled the academic staff to use e-learning tools during their courses. To develop the curricula, the team analyzed and updated the existing courses at both universities and added new topics related to the real problems in Egypt. This was based on an excessive need research.
So we designed a questionnaire and sent it to the Ministry of Irrigation and its research centers.
The needs of 20 stakeholders were analyzed. The consortium was able to develop 13 updated courses to be offered in a blended learning environment. The LFI Aachen developed the learning management system, which is available to students and teachers. They can upload the teaching materials and communicate with each other. The LMS gives the students access to different types of electronic materials. More than 70% of the content has been transferred into digital materials of different types. Digital presentation, e-lectures, quiz for self-assessment. This is more than expected. Initially, only 4 courses had been planned. Further, several professors from other departments had the chance to participate in the training workshops. This extended the impact of the project to other departments of Helwan and Ain Shams University.
The advantages that I see in this diploma or in this program is to deliver those courses within the Waten host, which can allow the students to deal with the courses at any time.
The student can easily use this server and can go to chapters.
They can develop new skills for them. They learn how to communicate with the teachers in the electronic form.
We can develop our courses in each year and develop our exams in each year individual.
I published one of my courses, and I hope to publish the whole courses, and really encourage all my colleagues to follow the same way. It's a new technique, and I expect that this would be the upcoming technique in learning over the world.
Working on these key issues opened the door to success.
These all are the bases that can help in both water quality and water quantity management, which is the great issue, especially in Egypt, for water quality, and for the Arab region for water quantity, which is very scarce in this region.
Against all the odds, we achieved something very useful. We achieved to have confident staff members committed. We achieved that we have, the university itself is committed now. I think it was more successful than I anticipated in the beginning. And I think the Tempus project as a project is successful in most of the programs that have been carried out in Egypt.
Important to mention that this program was not designed only for Egyptian engineers or Egyptian market. We did consider also African countries or African Nile Basin countries, as well as other Arab countries. So if you feel that this program is of value for you, please come and join us.
The consortium made great efforts to reach future employers of the graduates of this diploma, as well as many other water stakeholders and future partners. In addition to disseminating the project results among the Egyptian ministries, other efforts devoted to reach almost all the Egyptian universities and research institutions. The consortium organized seminars and workshops for hundreds of participants. In addition to the events, brochures, training flyers, posters, and a communication server were developed and distributed. With great success, because Waten is very future-orientated and very targeted.
On one side, people were focusing on postgraduate degrees that students in the near future can achieve or can reach. And they were focusing either on the contents, on very good and very enriched material. And on the other side, they were also focusing on what the students can make use of with their degrees in the near future, because they already linked it to the European Credit Transfer System, ECTS. And they also had a look at the Bologna process, so that in the near future, people from these universities, they can go to Europe with their degrees, and they will not have any problems to get into positions in Europe.
I think it's very important that the Egyptian universities either adopt completely the system of Bologna process, or to be harmonized with this system in order to facilitate the mobility of students with this European platform.
The existing network between Egypt and Europe is still growing through the help of such Tempus projects like Waten. Tempus is not only linking human capacities, but also tying individuals in different cultures for the benefit of both.